Alright people, General there.
You know true?
So you know what gone. It's season 11 and we're back in the UK. Yeah, but they don't have to worry because they love it, they love the Jamaican stuff and that. But you see, we're in the UK when we link up the General. And beer things are going on the Ringo.
That fire happy bun.
Yo, we're outside. Tell me how you feeling. We are cooking fine. We are cool alive, the Mr. Green. Tell me how you feeling. We are cooking fine. We are cool alive. Fully active again, people. Listen, it's season 11. Cook and Vibe. We're there. We're linking up Ringo Vision today. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. It's right there at the bottom. Yo, we're back in the UK, but we got some decent weather.
It is a good vibe.
Yeah, so Ringo are going to do in chicken today, you understand? And a beer thing, so make sure you go check out his episode on his channel. I am doing ackee and pork, different thing today, obviously doing it separately, separate pots and them thing there, car. Rasta man, to deal with them something there, but I do. You know my style, people. So ackee and pork, I tried it in Jamaica. It's the first time I'm going to be cooking it myself. Yeah, man, a new thing today, Ringo, is it?
A good vibe.
Yeah, man, fire for button. Outside, people. Season 11, we're in the UK. That is it. Season 10 was in Jamaica and yet a little bit of America. What's your kitchen, there, man?
Alright, a good vibes.
What's your kitchen set up? This is today's kitchen, people. Fruits, vegetables. Everything there, we got a little hut inside there. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. We got a little hut for the day. Don't look like it's gonna rain. Look like we got some good weather in the UK. Season 11, everything is okay. You understand?
Good vibes.
Ringo go on doing thing. I'll show you the kitchen there quickly, people. And my things them ready to cook up. We've got some fruits and stuff there. That's our little hut. If it rains and we need shelter. Yeah, man. Some holly bush Christmas thing. You know what I'm saying? These are the type of trees that you're going to see regular in the UK, people from all around the world, Jamaica. And these sort of things that you're going to see regular. This is the holly bush. You know, they use them for Christmas decorations and stuff like that. And you know, a lot of the evergreen trees, like the Christmas trees and stuff like that, and these type of plants. You've got these, and up here you will see that there's a lot of ferns. See there? What heap of ferns there. UK, we're there. Yes, people. So ackee and pork. So I was in Portland and I went to get some breakfast and they said, "Oh, we've got ackee and pork," and I'm like, "What is that? Let me try it." Wow. Obviously, take away from anybody who don't like pork. So obviously, Muslims, Rasta don't deal with the pork. But anybody that does deal with pork, I promise you, you need to try pork and ackee. So the way we're gonna do it today is like basically cook the ackee the same way as you normally would. Inside here we've got our peppers, we've got a plum. I don't know why that's in there, but that's not going in. We've got tomato, Scotch bonnet, scallion, thyme, onion, all the normal stuff that you would go into ackee. We've got our ackee over there. I'll show you in a minute. So what we're gonna actually use is the pork belly, and we're gonna chop it into cubes to get all the fat out of it as well. And we're just gonna season this, basically use the pork as the saltfish. So you literally just cook the ackee as you would, and then put the pork in with the you know, the vegetables and stuff. But we're gonna show you how we do it anyway.
But yeah, go fry up the pork first, that.
So I'm gonna fry the pork first, get some flavors in the meat, and then so instead of putting the vegetables in first, I'm gonna put the pork in first, get some flavor in the meat and stuff, then add the vegetables, then the ackee. Finally.
That. I have to go and check on the chicken.
Go and check the chicken. Show them what I want.
Hey people, so I be here things are going. So have to check on the chicken. Make sure that the chicken is not burning up down there, people, yeah? While M-Dot's just over there dealing with the ACKEE pork. A good vibes, 24-hour kitchen and cooking vibes. We link up. Yeah, man, M-Dot! What you do?
ACKEE and beer things.
Alright, me a forward.
Onion.
You say you just have to cut up the onion then?
Yeah.
Into little cubes.
Little cubes, just get everything nice, sliced and
Because
diced.
this is going to be the cook down, isn't it?
This is going to be the cook down.
Right.
Exactly that. Yeah.
A good vibes.
Ringo.
Yeah, man, a good vibes.
Vibes are good to link up again, my G, you see?
How you mean, man?
I don't know, say I want connection, cook on vibe, 24-hour kitchen. So we've cut up all our scallion, our onion, our red pepper, our Scotch bonnet. So this is the last. We're just going to add our one onion. So basically, it's just the same way you would cook ackee and saltfish. Do you know what I'm saying? Exactly the same way, but instead of the saltfish, we're going to be using pork. But a little different steps, because obviously how we cook it. Hopefully they grow. You never know. You know what I'm saying, people? You can give back to nature when you can, because you never know. You never know.
A good vibes.
All right, people. So as you can see,
Me not come too close to this, you know that.
he's took the kitchen. You know what he's done, people? He took his kitchen up there, away from my kitchen.
Yeah, man.
Because I'm cooking pork.
Yeah, me
he said, me, I'm going up there, Rasta. You hear that?
Nah, mix up, you sitting them.
You have to respect it. Look, as you can see, I'm just chopping it up into little dices like this, people.
Like little cubes, yeah?
Yeah, little cubes. Because the fat is actually what is going to give it a lot of flavour.
Yeah, man, I find this crispy, right?
And it's going to be salty because the fat and the pork is kind of salty already. So we ain't actually going to add a lot of seasoning to this. All we're going to do is once we've chopped this up, we're going to add some Ringo Vision seasoning, which we'll soon show you. But look pan kitchen, man. Be like, look, that's our setup. And I just looked round, you know, and I just thought, you know what, nice vibes. Look, show them that direction.
Yeah, man, people, we're there, man, fully outside, active. You don't know, say, 24-hour kitchen and cooking vibes. We link up today. Yeah, man, M-Dot are good, are the right vibes to come back from yard to, innit?
Best vibes to reach back to, me, I tell you. Best vibes.
Man, I tell you, man. All right, people, so a good vibe. So we're there, man, we're fully active. We said the all-purpose seasoning mix.
This one ain't got no label on it. This one is the Ringo Vision seasoning.
Yeah, this is the one that we travel with.
I got mine. You need to get yours. So we're gonna. This is kind of like a
Woy
something
yoy.
that you can just use for everything, people. So I like it. So I put a nice piece in there. But all right, so that's pretty much. Yay! That is pretty much. I don't want to touch his bottle. See. All right, that done that. So just a little mix up, people. Yeah.
All right. Add his vegetables that he's chopped. Where the vegetable them there?
Vegetables
So
over
these
there.
vegetables are going to be added into it afterward, and then it's going to start to stew down. And once it starts to stew down, everyone, then he's going to add the ackee, and then that's going to be the final finishing touch, and make it just go and stew down for a little while, and then that is it.
Exactly. That is it.
That is it.
Say no
So
more.
look out for this one, people.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on its way.
That is it. Kitchen. Yes, people, so as you can see, the pork is done seasoned, and we have our vegetables ready up, and our ackee. Yes, we're back in England. You know when we're back in England, because we ain't got the fresh ackee, unfortunately, but that's how it go. And basically what we've got here is some chicken skin and some chicken fat, because we've actually got no cooking oil. So I'm actually going to be using the chicken fat and the chicken skin off of Ringo's jerk chicken today to make my oil. Yes. That's my scenery today, people. Beautiful, same way. You got to appreciate all different, you know, places and countries and different environments. This is a very, you know, proper English environment. As you can see, we've got new trees growing just like Jamaica. Little new trees growing out of the ground. Obviously different type of trees. A lot of these trees are evergreen. See what the general do up, piazza. in his kitchen. You see my moving kitchen. Hey!
Yo.
That is it. Oi, aight, you're not seeing no more. Oh, them have to see it. Ringo Vision. Go check him out.
Goodbye.
It's in the description right there. You know. Yeah, we say some fruits in them thing there. Good vibes. Yeah, but like them plum, you know, them plum, them nice, innit, brother?
Yeah.
We're there.
Yeah, man. Good vibe. Good vibe.
The last time we was in here, I think you cooked some fish and I cooked some jerk lamb ribs.
Yep.
The last time we was here.
That's true.
And I tell you what, the last time we was here, it was very cold. It was not like, even, I'm gonna be honest, today, I've kind of come out prepared in a jumper, but I don't really need it.
Yeah.
You done see the general in them shorts and t-shirts. Good, the weather's all right, man. Definitely different to January anyway.
100%.
English plum as well. Do you know what? It's a very English episode today, people. These plums here, well, we don't get a lot of fruit trees in England. What we do get is we get apples, you know, and we get plums. These plums will grow on the trees naturally, and they're really nice. People, there we go. There's the pork, there's the ackee, there's our seasonings ready, and we're just heating up the fire. Yeah, man, I'm good vibes. That is it. And go and clean up outside. Yeah, man, good vibes, people. Yeah. So what we're doing first is we are bunning up the pot to get it nice and hot. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the chicken skin and the chicken fat to make some oil, because we got no oil. So that's how we're gonna create our oil, and then we're gonna start cooking off our pork, which is seasoned up. You can see, people, the oil is starting to come out of the... You see that there? Yes. That's what we need. Yoy! Ringo Vision there, man. Big up the G, man. A good vibes today. As you can see, people, we've got a nice bit of oil there. See that?
That is it.
That is it, my bro. So we're just gonna...
And how did we get this? What came to the conclusion to do this, Emma?
So when I was in Jamaica, Sunrise TV, yeah, we didn't have no oil, and he was like, we get some oil off the chicken fat. So that's where I learned it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Old school Jamaican thing, but other parts of the world probably do that.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, man, a good vibes. We're using it today because we come out and we never have no oil.
As you can see, cook it, the sizzle from the oil is there. We're just gonna leave the chicken fat in there same way. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, so we just wanna mix that around, people. And then that is the base of our flavor today. So we're just gonna make that crisp up and nice up, and that will probably create its own juice, especially if we put a lid on this as well, people. So we're gonna build up the flavors, add the vegetables, the ackee. I'll tell you the truth, people, today's all about linking the general.
Yeah,
That's
man.
it, so big up yourself, family. The
Good
YouTube
vibe.
channel, we're there, we're outside of good vibes. We've got some crazy episodes this season. Season 11. Ringo Vision in the building again, we're outside, that is it.
Good vibes.
Good vibes, people. Yeah, man, season 11. Wow. I hope you enjoyed season 10, Jamaica, and a little bit of the USA. You know what I'm saying? It was a good vibe, but we're here, and I think this whole season is gonna be in the UK. So you don't know, say, we're gonna have to draw for some crazy and creative episodes. Believe you me, it's gonna be crazy. Yeah, because it's like, because of not being in Jamaica, we draw for the more crazier ideas. And there's loads of stuff going on, and it's the summer in the UK. Well, it's meant to be, but it's the summer in the UK, so we're gonna get active and busy, and there's loads of stuff going on. So just make sure them notification bells are on, because you don't want to miss nothing. Ackee and pork today. Oi oi. Look at all these ferns. Look at all these ferns, people. These grow in the shade. These plants don't need too much sunlight. So good vibes. Yeah, man. Natural environment as always. Even if we're in Jamaica or the UK, we stay outside. That is it. The general there. This is it, people. As you can see, the colour is there now. It's getting there. So we're just waiting for the last few little bits to just cook down nicely. As you can see, you see all that oil and flavour at the bottom. Wow. You see when the vegetables and the ackee goes into that. It's going to be amazing. Trust me, people. We're outside. Ackee and pork. Oi, oi! People, we reach a level, you know. We reach a level, you know. As you can see, look, we never had no cooking oil, remember? So all this flavour. Look at all that flavour naturally from the chicken fat and from the pork fat and whatnot. And as you can see, the flavour on the pork, that's just got a nice flavour and consistency now. So what we're going to do is we've got all our seasonings here. We've got to just put them in 2 pots. So our scallion, our sweet peppers, our Scotch bonnet, our thyme and everything. Onion, scallion, straight in. That is it, people. Now it's looking nice and vibrant. You know what I'm saying? I'll give this a little mix all around together and get all them vegetables in that lovely juice that we've made from the chicken skin and the pork. Oi, people. This is a serious recipe. Again, if you eat pork, you consume pork, this is mad. Remember me tell you, so it's a simple thing from now, people. From now, we're just literally just letting everything cook down in there nicely till it's nice and soft. And then we're gonna add the ackee to the situation we have here. You know what I'm saying? It's a good vibes. I'm glad to be back. Season 11. You don't know how the thing's set, people. Go back down to the kitchen, people. Is there me? There we go. There's our little log hut. Yeah, man. Kitchen there. Oi, oi! Good vibes. Get the rubbish bag. We're gonna go and clean up. This is my kitchen. This is Ringo's kitchen up here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. The duo is back. Make sure you go over to Ringo Vision's channel and check him out. You hear that? Alright, people. What we got going on down here is our wally things. Alright? So right at this present moment, as you can see before, the vegetables have cooked down really nicely and everything's nice and soft now. So what we're going to do is going to make a little kind of like dip in the middle there. Okay. Ackee. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to fold it round the ackee because the ackee will break very easily. So now we just fold everything over. Let that do his thing for a minute, man. Literally a couple minutes, people. That is ready up, man. Ackee and pork. Yeah, man, an authentic Jamaican thing that I'll show you today, people. Is it me? So, yeah, man, it's soon done, man. Can't wait for this. This is 10-10, trust me. Woy-yoy! This is it, Ringo. It's good to see you again on the channel, my bro.
Yeah, man, good vibes.
Yeah, my G. So we're soon done, people. Literally just waiting for the Ackee to warm up, and then it's taste time. I hope you today's episode. It's always a good vibe on Cook on Vibe, isn't it? Yeah, man. But you need to try this episode if you eat pork. If you don't, no disrespect. Just go on and enjoy the vibes. That is it. What yoy, people? It's finished. Look at that. Wow, full of flavors, me I tell ya. Yeah, you see all that oil. Remember, so we put no cooking oil in here. This is all natural flavors. So let's dish up a little piece in here, Ringo. Oh, there's some Ackee there. Oi, oi. Some of that in there. Good vibes. All right. Taste time. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, Ringo, yeah?
Yeah.
I've cooked this again whilst I've been in England. But today, I think just because we was outside and everything there, it just seems to smell a lot better today. And, it's mad.
These are good vibes. That is it, man.
This is my new one, you know. Oh, this is serious, Ringo. Obviously, Ringo doesn't consume pork, Rasta man, but whoever does, I promise you now, this is the one. Ackee and pork. I nearly fell over. People, it's great to be back. Season 11. It's good to link up the general. We just started. We're just warming up. You get me? Yeah, man. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Check out Ringo's channel. Big up section. And we see you soon, people. Oi! Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Hoi! Welcome to the big up section, people. Season 11. That is it. We had to link up the G Ringo vision. You know what I'm saying, people? Listen, do you know what's great and exciting is, you know, we seem to get more exciting when we go to Jamaica and we're in Jamaica. But honestly, this season 11 is going to be that. I swear it's going to be the best one so far. I promise you it's going to be the best one so far. This week's big up, people. Big up Steve Johnson 2284. He says season 10 episodes in Jamaica have been awesome and very well rounded. From Kingston ghetto to cooking upon the river and the hills in the bush. Big up M.R and Up and Coming Productions, Cook and Vibe, Woyoy. Big up yourself, my bro. Love that, man. You get me? Big up, keep supporting the channel. And also big up user ID 6XD9UJ5K. It says Woyoy M.R. This has been the best season to watch ever. I can't wait to the future of Cook and Vibe. Yes, Kitchen by the River, big up and keep the channel active. Bless up, people. That is it, people, man. Big up the whole team, you get me? From England, Ringo Vision, Up and Coming Productions, you get me? Big up Kitchen by the River in Jamaica. We soon reach Jamaica again. Season 12 will be in Jamaica again. But for now, we are in England, you get me? And we've got loads of crazy stuff. I promise you it's going to be crazy. I'll see you soon, people. Oi, oi.